Most cyclists obsess over frame weight, but ignore that a standard round bottle on your down tube creates more aerodynamic drag than upgrading from deep carbon rims to shallow alloy ones.
At 40 kilometers per hour, a single round bottle on the down tube costs you between 2 and 4 watts of drag. Placing that same bottle on the C tube, shielded by the frame, reduces this penalty by nearly 40%. However, fluid dynamics is secondary to thermodynamics. Your body is an engine that loses efficiency rapidly when coolant levels drop. We often see a massive discrepancy between intake and biological demand. The average rider loses 900 milligrams of sodium per hour, yet standard 20-25 isotonic mixes only provide about 400 milligrams per liter. You physically cannot drink enough volume to replace that salt without overhydrating.
To fix this without carrying 4 bottles, you must decouple hydration from fueling. Use hypertonic tablets in your bottles to match your specific sweat sodium concentration while carrying calories in solid form.
Regarding storage, while a top tube bag adds roughly 1 watt of drag, the bunk penalty is hundreds of watts. Use this decision matrix to optimize your loadout for 2025-2026 racing and training.
For your next upgrade, ignore ceramic pulleys. Buy shielded Aero cages like the Elite Vico or Tax Zero. They align the bottle with the down tube airflow, offering the best watt per dollar saving on the market.
Prioritize accessible fuel over saving 2 watts on a bag.